super excited that I have somebody else that made the video this week. I post every Saturday, and I'm Monique Burns. I am in Detroit, Michigan. My husband and I, we buy houses, we renovate them, we sell them to investors from all over the country and all over the world. And this time I got my husband, Pat, to make the video, and it was inspired by somebody who asked me, that doesn't know a thing about construction, asked me what kind of floors do we do in our bathrooms. And I said to Pat, gosh, it would be great if you could make a video about this. He does not like doing this. So here's my thought. He does really well. And when you watch it, give it a like and subscribe. And I'll say, Pat, look how many subscribers I got. And then if you comment below and give some more construction questions, I can be like, now you got to make another one with another construction question, and you guys will love it. And I'll love to publish them because he's got just a wealth of knowledge. So let's get into the video.
All right, this is what I'm here to talk about. This is, I think, the best bathroom that we have found in Detroit as far as color-wise and the shape of the tile. None of the soap dishes are broken, and paper holder and soap dish in there, just really in fantastic shape. And the floor too, and the color makes all the difference. Usually they're green, pink, blue. So this is really nice. So we just left this, and then we have a half bath up here, which is really nice. So we did new toilet, vanity, new floor. My wife will be mad, the toilet seat's up. There we go, that's a better picture.
Did you see that? He likes to keep me happy. So remember our plan? You're going to subscribe and like, and then comment what other construction question you have to keep this thing going. But it's a true thing that you should not ever have a toilet lid up when you're doing any kind of marketing, like listing your house for rent. Don't do that. I have all kinds of tips like that. That's just a little thing. But I did make an entire online course about how we do what we do in Detroit, from the purchase of the house to managing your property manager. There's a lot, and plus like securing the house. It's pretty Detroit specific, but it could work in any city. And my price is really darn good. So check out that link below. I did just change the price. So check out the link below if you haven't already checked into the class. And let's finish what he has to say about floors, because he definitely knows his floors. He's been doing floors since he was 15. And we used to have a floor covering business.
Well, like I said before, this one was in such great shape, we left it. And the color is nice too, the gray is just a nice color. But what we put down in the bathroom, if there isn't the original ceramic, is we use luxury vinyl plank, LVP. And that's what's in here. The nice thing about this is that it comes in wide variety of patterns, wood grains, colors, even ceramic looking and stuff like that. The reason we use that in the bathrooms is because luxury vinyl plank, or LVP, is waterproof, 100% waterproof, because it is solid vinyl and it doesn't swell up for moisture, it doesn't warp, it doesn't get all, it doesn't swell up is the biggest thing. People never clean floors the way the manufacturers want you to clean them. So we try to use the most indestructible thing. And they're great for traffic on the floor too. I mean, you can still scratch them if you're dragging refrigerators and stoves and stuff across them, but it really is very durable. So what I did is I grabbed a piece that we usually, that we do use. This one here is just different color, but this is a piece of luxury vinyl plank. As you can't really see from the video, but I thought I'd show you anyways. It's a solid vinyl. You can soak it in a tub of water and no change to it. The nice thing is it has the black padding on the back that's already attached. And it gives the floor a nice soft walk and soft feel. And they click together. They're a floating floor, so you're not gluing the entire thing down. You're not gluing any of it down. And like, here's another pattern I was saying, you know, this is the oak, the brown, and then this is the gray. But yeah, this is why we use vinyl plank, because of the waterproof characteristics of it and the ease of installation and the cost. We typically run with the same product. We use Home Decorator or Home Decor that's at Home Depot, and then we will use Life Proof too, you know, depending upon which one there's a sale on. But it's anywhere from $2 a square foot up to about $2.79 a square foot. And you know, in these rooms, you don't have a ton of square footage, so it's, you know, it's a good upgrade to me. Sheet vinyl just is out. They rip. You can look at them, a sheet vinyl floor, and they rip. So the luxury vinyl plank is the way to go. I hope that helps a little bit. It's kind of strange. Monique's been getting phone calls about it, what we're putting down and stuff. So, you know, ceramic tile is nice, but it sounds dumb, but ceramic tile is really hard, and it's hard to stand on for very long in the kitchens. And this gives you a little softer walk. It's a lot quieter, and believe it or not, things don't shatter on this like they would a ceramic tile floor. So, plus the cost of ceramic tile, not the tile so much, but the labor on ceramic tile is very high these days. So that's what we do. Hope this helps. Bye.